In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request files with a deadline using the Dropbox File Requests feature on desktop via your web browser. This is an incredibly handy tool for when you need to gather documents, photos, or any type of file from others, and it offers a seamless way to set deadlines and enable upload confirmations. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to make the most out of this feature. First, open your web browser and head over to Dropbox.com. Once there, sign in with your account details. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Dropbox dashboard. Take a look at the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled File Requests. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to the File Requests page where you can manage all your current file requests and create new ones. To create a new file request, you simply need to click the New Request button. This is where we'll start setting the parameters for your specific file request. You'll see a few fields to fill out. First, give your request a title. Choose something clear and descriptive so that it's obvious to anyone receiving the request what it pertains to. Next, there's an optional field for a description. This is your chance to be specific about what files you need. Maybe you're gathering images for a marketing campaign, or you need reports for a project deadline. Whatever it is, providing clear details here can help ensure you get exactly what you're looking for. Now, consider where you'd like these uploaded files to be saved. You'll need to choose a destination folder within your Dropbox account. This ensures that everything stays organized and easy to access once files start rolling in. For those of you who have eligible plans like professional or business, you have the additional option of setting a deadline. This is particularly useful if you have a specific time frame within which you need the files. Check the Set a Deadline box and specify both the date and exact time after which uploads will no longer be accepted. If you'd like to provide some flexibility, you may see an Allow Late Uploads option. Selecting this will place any late uploads into a separate folder for easy differentiation. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields and adjusted the settings to your liking, you're ready to proceed. Simply click the Create button. Doing so will generate a unique link for your file request. To share this with others, you have a couple of options. You can copy this link and share it directly with the people you're requesting files from, or you can send the request via email all through Dropbox's interface. Remember, the recipients won't need a Dropbox account to upload the files, making it accessible for everyone involved. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently request files with deadlines using Dropbox's File Requests feature. We hope you find this feature as powerful and convenient as it is designed to be.